Hello everyone, today we have an iPhone X that has no sound. What I mean with no sound is that there is no sound from both speakers, neither from the upper speaker and the lower speaker. Although the mic is fully working, I'm gonna show you here. 1 2 3 1 2 3 testing. As you can see, the mic is fully working, but we don't have any sounds from the phone, neither the upper speaker and the lower speaker. As you can see here, as you can hear, the Taptic engine is working, but there is no sound at all. I have checked the lower flex cable, changed the whole body, changed the upper speaker, and still no sound. So as you can see here, also the glass protector, or the 3D glass protector, is really damaged here and here also. So I can assume that the phone had a really hard fall or really hard shock, and afterwards the sounds just disappeared. So we are gonna desolder the upper layer and see what we can find. So now, after we remove the upper layer of the board, we are gonna inspect the board of any kind of damages or maybe something weird. As you can see, all the pads are just fine, no problems, no ripped off pads, everything is okay. So we're gonna go ahead and I think that this is the audio codec, and I'm gonna inspect the audio codec itself. Okay, what do we have here? As you can see, this corner is broken. Oh my god. That must have been a really hard fall that the phone took. As you can see, the corner of this chip is broken. So I can assume that this chip is damaged now, and I'm gonna have to replace it. I'm just gonna show you from another angle. Okay, as you can see, there is a really big crack here, this corner. So we are gonna replace the chip and see if that brings the sounds to our phone. So after we here assembled our Lego constructor, now we are gonna test the phone if our sounds are back. I'm gonna hit the power button really carefully. And there you go, the Apple logo. Okay. Not to touch anything here. Very carefully. Okay, so I connected the upper speaker only because to connect the lower speaker I need a lot of stuff here. So this is just to show you that the sounds are back. Go to sounds and haptics. And what a surprise! We have our sounds, yeah! Which is so cool. So now all we have to do and left to do is just reball the lower layer of the board and then solder the upper layer to the down layer on our heating platform, and we have our phone back to work again. So yeah, let's do that. And now, after we done the repair, it's time to check if our sounds are back. Oh. Okay. What do you know? We have our sounds back from both speakers, upper and lower speaker. So here, and the microphone also we need to check. 1 2 3 1 2 3, checking. And as you see, everything is back to normal. Everything is working perfectly with any problem. That was an amazing diagnostic we did, and also the repair. As you can see, the phone is back to fully function, the sounds are back, the phone is working just fine. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting repairs. And if you have any other questions, leave it in the comment section down below and I will try to answer them. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.